Only in Happy Tales can your frog get the best accommodations on the planet.
Built-in swimming pools. Hold on. Wait. Spot treatment?
Hey, laser
Poor
treatment
frog.
is next.
That was his whirlpool.
No, everybody on here hates that frog. Just hates him. And it's got 24-hour surveillance. Awesomeness. But dude, you gotta do something.